The Simplex 3CX wallboard is fully customizable to the user's requirements. Tiles can be added and removed accordingly, and users can amend the tile's background colours and display text as they wish. In this short video, we're going to work through the groups and options available in the Layout Designer and what they do when selected. To select the Layout Designer, click the Simplex IT Solutions logo in the top left-hand corner of the wallboard, and from the menu, choose the Layout Designer option. This will bring you to the Layout Designer screen, divided into 8 widgets and a panel at the bottom right-hand corner dedicated to displaying agent information. To select an option, move your cursor to any tile, with the exception of the Agent Information panel, and select the drop-down menu located at the top of the tile. Active Calls. Active Calls is a real-time monitor of all calls currently being handled by agents. By default, these figures are displayed in a blue tile. The Active Calls section can be split into the following categories for display. Active Calls. Active Calls Incoming. Active Calls Outgoing. Active Calls in Queue, displayed in an orange box by default. When selecting these options, the live data text will be displayed above the menu. For the Active Calls and Active Calls Incoming options, the Show Queues setting is available. Answer time. Answer time is a calculation of the average time a group of agents or all agents take to answer the phone, measured in seconds. These are displayed in a purple tile by default, and there are 2 selections to choose from. Answer time today, answer time yesterday. For the answer time options, the following are available: Show Queues, Show Internal Calls, Time Offset. When enabled, this allows to account for any time elapsed in a group or department taking a call for another. For example, if the sales department cannot take a call and the 3CX system has a time-defined handover to another department to answer, the time offset can be customized to allow for this time as to not affect the call figures of another department or group. The time offset option sets the value in seconds. Best Agent. The Best Agent function is one for those who wish to display the agent who achieved the highest number of focused KPIs, either yesterday or today. These KPIs are customizable depending on the organization's desired metrics. The following modes are available: Most incoming calls, most outgoing calls, most in and out calls, total calls, time incoming calls, time outgoing calls, time in and outgoing calls, and total time calls. These options are retrospective data, updated depending on the refresh interval setting in the main setting menu, and are displayed in a gold tile by default. Calls Answered. A visual display of all calls answered by the agent group or organisation. These are displayed in the turquoise tiles, and the following options are available: Show Queues, Show Internal, Show Voicemail. Calls Made. A visual display of all calls made by the agent group or organisation. These are displayed in the grey tiles, and the following options are available: Show Internal, Show Unanswered. Calls Unanswered. A visual display of all calls unanswered or missed by the agent group or organisation. These are displayed in the red tiles, and the following options are available: Show Queues, Show Internal, Show Voicemail. Image Widget. Selecting an image widget allows the user to broadcast a desired image on the wallboard for all agents to see. Simply select the Set Image button and select the desired image. Images that do not cover the entire tile are displayed with a black background. Blank Widget. An organisation could wish to leave a tile unused. If this is the case, then the Blank Widget option will simply put a black tile, by default, in the space designated by the user. Agent Information Panel. The Agent Information Panel is the only area that cannot be changed to another type of metric. It displays all agents in the organisation or group, and once it has hit the visible quantity of 15, can scroll to show all agents periodically. The following options can be applied. Agent Sort. This allows the user to sort the agents by rank to the desired metrics of the organisation. Show Transferred. enable auto scroll, show time percent. This shows the percentage of time the agent has been on the phone by comparison to the time spent in a desired metric. By default, the time spent is set to 8 hours. If at any time you wish to reverse a change made, select the Undo Changes option at the bottom left-hand corner of the menu. Should you wish to return to the default layout of the wallboard, select Reset to Default and all changes will be reversed. We hope you have found this video helpful. However, if you have any further queries, would like to see more options added, or would like to place an order, please contact us through our website at www.simplex-solutions.com.